Hello, welcome to English Chats. I'm Felix. I make listening practice videos so you can practice your listening and understanding. Before we start, please subscribe and like the video. Today, I'm going to talk about the internet. The internet is a very useful tool. It helps the world stay connected. It connects people, companies, banks, governments, and much more. One of the main uses of the internet is to find information. People can use search engines like Google to look for information on any topic. This makes it easy to learn new things and to know what is happening around the world. Another important use of the internet is for communication. People can send emails to each other. They can also use social media websites like Facebook and Twitter to talk to friends and family. Video calls are also another popular way to use the internet to communicate. Apps like Skype and Zoom allow people to see and talk to each other, even if they are far apart. This is very useful for family and friends who live in different parts of the world. In the comments, write what you use the internet for. Personally, I use the internet for everything. I usually use the internet on my phone. For example, I use the internet to text and call people. I use the internet for social media, for example, Instagram. I use the internet when I need to look at maps and the GPS. I also use the internet when I use Apple Pay at the store. I remember the internet in my childhood. I remember going on the family computer in the living room and waiting for the internet to connect. And I think it wasn't possible to be on the phone and use the internet at the same time. I also remember the internet speed. It was so slow. Now the internet speed is so fast. The internet is a great tool, but it has problems. One problem is that not all the information on the internet is true. Some websites share false information, and it can be difficult to know what is true and what is false. Okay, we're finished. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Here you can click to subscribe, or you can click to practice more. All right, see you next time.